Shaffner here. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to my Stitch Fix. Yes, this is the very first box of clothing that has arrived at my doorstep in 2020. So I'm excited to see what's inside this package. If you are new to my channel, I would like to welcome you. I sure hope you'll subscribe and join me for another video. To my returning subscribers, hi everyone, how are you? How are you? Because I'm a little under the weather. I am wrestling with a cold. I wake up every morning feeling like I've got it, and little cold medicine gets me through the day. So bear with me on this one. If you are new to Stitch Fix, I have left everything you need to know about this service. Everything that I know is in the description box below. I have a referral link. If you use my link, you get some credit, I get some credit. It's a win-win. Thank you to everyone that has used my Stitch Fix link. You guys are awesome, and you support the Kelly Shaffner channel every single time you use my link. So thank you very much. So here it is, a little bitty box, don't you think, for winter? I'm guessing this is winter, and it's a little bit opened. Let me open it up. Let's just break right into it. So here it is, and this is what my broken box looks like. There is a return mailer here, so anything that I don't want or that doesn't work for me, I can just put into this bag and drop it off at the post office. It's really easy. I do have an envelope here with an invoice and style cards, suggestions on how to style these pieces, and oh, it looks like there's jewelry. I have not received jewelry in a long time from Stitch Fix, so that's exciting. Let's look at this bundle. All right, here is my bundle, and this is what it looks like. It's giving me kind of fall vibes. What about you? I don't know. I'm excited about the jewelry. Let's break into it. Oh, it's broken. Look at that. Oh no. Oh, okay. This looks like an easy fix, but that's terrible. Okay, there it is. These are the earrings, and these say they are handmade with love by Nakamol. It just needs to be pinched back there. Oh, that's scary. Okay. And this is Nakamol Chicago. It says each piece is handcrafted using natural gemstones in a variety of colors and textures. So that is what Nakamol looks like. And there is a little jewelry. Golly, it broke again. It's not staying on there. Where is my husband when I need him? My husband, the jeweler. There it is. Okay, let's look at the bundle. I don't even know if I'm going to try these earrings on, guys. Okay, on the top, ooh, this is fun. Now, this is a tank. This is a tank top? Okay, that's just weird. I mean, it's really cool. Kind of a watercolor, abstract, swing style tank top. This is by Loveappella, and this is the Earnest Swing Knit Top in magenta, size medium. So it's fun, but I don't know about the season. I do live in New Mexico, in southern New Mexico, where the climate is pretty warm, but it's still cool. It's winter in New Mexico too, although it's not winter like other people. We're not snowed in or anything like that, but still, we need jackets and long sleeve shirts and sweaters. I mean, this is cool. I don't think it's season appropriate, but I will read my stylist note. And okay, this one is by, who are you by? Brina Em. And this is Lemmy V-neck top, Brina Em. And this is a navy top, a floral, split neck, V-neck, tab sleeve. Oh, I have so many of these. And this one just isn't calling my name. It's got a mauve and tan and brown floral print on it. What's it? In a darker burgundy color. So it's pretty, it's lovely. I have so many of these. I don't know that I need it. Next we have something in rust. And this is this a cardigan by Pink Clover? It has pockets, so that is a plus. So this is just a plain cardigan in rust by Pink Clover. And then we have a pair of 1822 denim in olive green. 1822 is a brand I really like. I just purchased a pair of olive 1822 denim from my trunk club in November. So, oh, look how cute those patch pockets in the front. You see that double pocket? That is super cute. And these are a straighter leg, but they appear to be an ankle or cropped. Let's see what it says. Chelsea utility pocket skinny pant in olive. These are really cute and they're very similar to the slacks that I purchased from my trunk club. So I already know I am not buying these. One of my 2020 goals is to reduce the amount of clothing that I have in my closet because I have a ridiculous amount of clothing in my closet. Stuff like this. I think it's cute. I try it on, the price is right, I get a discount if I purchase more clothing. So I have been purchasing clothing that I do not even wear these past couple years, and I've decided to put that to a stop. Now, I love my clothes, so I will continue to purchase every spectacular piece that I find. I am reducing the number of subscription boxes that I get because just not getting a lot of spectacular pieces. Do you think any of these are spectacular? You never really know until you try them on, so I'll try them on and let you know my thoughts on these pieces. So I just checked out my stylist note and the style cards. My stylist did note that this fix is more budget friendly, and I can see that. My last fix was super expensive. It was my birthday, so I did splurge a little bit. This fix, for all 5 pieces, the grand total is $213. The buy all discount minus 25% if I keep everything is $53.25. That brings the total to $159.75. So I appreciate that this fix is budget friendly, but let's see, is there anything here that is really worth keeping? The first piece that I'll talk about is the piece that I did not try on. You guys probably guessed it. These are the earrings. These are the Nakamol Presley Natural Gemstone Drop Earrings. These are handcrafted. The brand is Nakamol. These are $38. They're beautiful. I mean, look at those, how pretty they are. And I like the colors. Look at the back of them. I think these are really pretty, but truthfully, it's kind of a turnoff to get earrings or anything that is broken or flawed. These would be a really easy fix. You just need like needle nose pliers or something just to squeeze that back together. I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to even fool with these earrings. I'm going to send them back. They're $38, and I think these would be really nice for 4th of July. I mean, they're navy blue and red, so these are colors I guess you can wear year round, but I'm sending these. Oh, I broke it again. I'm sending them back. I'm still a little confused by the Loveappella tank top. It's very comfortable. I think the print is very pretty. It's bright and fresh and would be great to wear in the spring or summer. This is $44. This is a brand I really like. I own some dresses by Loveappella. They're the t-shirt type dresses, really easy to wear. And of course, in a warmer climate, you could wear this with a jacket, a blazer, or a cardigan. It's too cold for that right now, and I'm not interested in buying clothing that I might wear in spring or summer. This one's $44. I'm sending it back. I just don't think it's the right season. The 1822 denim, are these denim? It says denim. And what does Stitch Fix call them? The Chelsea Utility Pocket Skinny Pants. So I don't know that these are denim. I like these a lot. These are $48. This is the most expensive thing in the fix. And this 1822 denim is really a nice, affordable denim. So if you haven't tried them, I highly suggest that you try them. They do carry them year-round at Nordstrom's. You can find them at Nordstrom's Rack. You can also find them at TJ's if you look. I highly recommend this brand. They're really comfortable and I like these. I love the pockets on these. I think that's a really fun detail. Other than that, they are just an olive skinny pant, and I did purchase this same brand, 1822 olive pants in November. The ones I got are a straight leg with kind of a kick flare crop. I love them. I have worn them so much. So I don't need these. I have so many skinny pants in my wardrobe that it's really hard to find a pair anymore that's different enough to keep. I highly recommend these. I think you should try these if you haven't tried the brand, but I'm going to send these back because they're too similar to what I already own. The cardigan. What did you think about the cardigan? This is the pink Clover Penton 2-pocket cardigan. I call it rust. They call it burnt orange. And what did you think about this one? I kind of like this one. This is a really lightweight cardigan, and I am not wearing this weight cardigan at the moment. It's a little bit too cold for this. I'm wearing my heavier weight cardigans right now. There's a little detail on the collar there, kind of folds over, a little draping at the top, and we have the pockets, which you know I love and insist upon. This is a color I don't have, so this would be a nice addition to my wardrobe. It's really, really basic. I don't know. I'm not sure. I think this might be, I love the 1822 denim. I don't need them. This would be a better option to add to my closet. Is this a standout piece, though, that deserves a place in my closet? I'm curious to hear what you think about everything that I have received. The last piece that I tried on is the Brina Em Lemmy split neck top. This one's $39. This one is rayon. Not my favorite, no, and it did come to me wrinkled. That's the reason I don't like rayon. I know a lot of my viewers are rayon lovers. It feels really silky against your skin. The thing I don't like about it is that it wrinkles while you wear it. When you leave the house and you're out taking on your day, your outfit is just wrinkling more and more. And you know, I purchased some of that Downy anti-wrinkle fabric softener. I need to try that. Maybe that will help my rayon pieces not to wrinkle while I'm wearing them. I don't know. But this piece does not excite me. It's only $39. My stylist did want me to try this with the olive pants, the 1822 denim. I love the way that looked together. I thought it was a really cute outfit, but it's more the style and fabric of this blouse that I don't like. I do like the pattern. I'm just kind of over it with the tab sleeve tops that look like this. So I guess the one piece I'm actually thinking about keeping is the cardigan. Is the cardigan worth keeping? I love your feedback. Thank you very much for helping me to make my decisions. I hope that you will hold me accountable in 2020 to only purchasing fabulous fashion. I think I probably need to alter my style notes to the different subscription companies that I use and let them know that if they have a fabulous piece, I'm willing to try it, but I really do not need a whole lot of basics. In the very near future, you're going to see some videos I'm going to make of my major overhaul of my closet, and I can't even make just one video of my closet clean out because there is so much. So I will be making those videos in categories. I expect there's going to be one video all about cardigans. Yeah, like, do I need it or should I sell it? Because I have so much. How about you? Do you have wardrobe goals for 2020? If so, let me know what they are in the comments. I'm so curious and I learn so much from my viewers. So thank you all for your feedback. Thanks for watching. Thanks for the thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't done so already. I will be back with another video, and it will be about clothes. I can't wait to see you. Blessings.